How to verify your TikTok account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to get a blue tick verification on TikTok, here are the process that you need to follow. So first and foremost, open the TikTok app. Tap on your profile from the bottom right and go to the menu option. For this, tap on the three horizontal lines and go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're on Settings and Privacy, tap on Account option. Then after you will see an option of verification. If you see so, tap on it and then tap on start. Follow the on-screen instruction for it. In order to be verified, your account should be active, authentic and public. And it should also continue with a complete profile, which means username, bio and photo. Next thing, you need to have a notable account, which means it must be mentioned in multiple trusted media sources. Similarly, you must have verified email and phone number and ideally have two-step verification enabled. However, if you cannot see the verification option on your in-app, in that case, head over to Google and search for the TikTok's online verification request page. This way, you will get a TikTok verification request page. Tap on the first option, which is by www.tiktok.com. After tapping on it, mention your email address, username, and mention how you'd like to get the blue tick. Once this is done, add a attachment if available and tap on agree and tap on submit. This is how you can apply or appeal for the TikTok verification. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.